Hello, welcome to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips, the best CapSim round 4 answer, right? The best CapSim round 4 answer to win CapSim 2024-2025. Walk through with step by step round 4. You can check the other video for round 1, 2, and 3. You can check the other video for round 1 and 2 and 3 and details. And if you have the right strategy, follow the right strategy here, you can win the only 8 rounds, right? You see, in round 1, 2, 3 you invest, round 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 we get top sale and top profit. The sale and stop price going up like this, the top sale and top profit here you get 26% of the market share. So I show you the details of round. This video is the details of round 4 on the decision, right? I show you now. So we set decision for round 4, right? Decision for round 4. If you remember that you need to check the industry condition report. Check the report here. You can check the video of round 1 and round 2 to see the details of guide for that. And now round 4 is just very simple. We just update the product with round 4. From round 4 we will get the top sale and top profit, so don't worry, right? It's easy now, right? And again, do not copy the number, because the number may be different from game to game, from student to student. And then do not copy it, right? Do not copy the number. So you can use the strategy I show you. Add a new 3 products here in round 1, 2, 3. Check the video. If you cannot find the video, send the email. I send you the link to the video, or search around YouTube, you see that, right? And now for round 4 we will do something big. We reduce the price by $1. It's okay, right? To go up very fast, right? Boost the sale, turn around, boost the sale and turn around with reduction of price $1, right? And we can check the price of competitor right after this to see that. And now we use very strong promotion and sale, right? To have the top sale and top profit. We use a max, so we should spend the most optimal number for promotion and sale, right? So check the price again: 27, 18, 37, 32, 32, 18, 27. And now we check the price of competitor in 5 segment, right? We check it again, 5 segment here. We see that we are using very strong price at 27, right? So we are here still in top sales, right? In the traditional, we are here from the top sales in the low end, right? We are here in the high end. We need to improve a little bit, but it's only account for 12%. No worry about that too much. And now for the performance, we get the top here, right? Top sale and top market share, and now also close to the top in the size, right? So now we calculate the sale forecast. We have the sales here, and last round we said quite good, right? We have low inventories. So again, do not, I say it 100 times in all the video, do not copy the number. I show you the strategy, show you how to do it, and then you can use the strategy with your number, because number different from game to game, from student to student, right? So do not copy from round 4 we can recover. So we increase the at 20% of reserve here to avoid inventory going out of stock, right? So now we put in the sale forecast 27. You learn the strategy, learn the way I'm showing you, so you understand how to calculate the sale forecast, right? 3906 input precisely, right? 784, and then 1264, and then 1084, then 6 for that. Input the number. If you have any questions, send the email, right? So there's a sale forecast based on, again I show you, based on the unit we sold from last round here, and deduct inventory. We have the production schedule. So now we set decision for the production. You see the the sale forecast we just input here, right? And now we put in the production schedule using the sale forecast, deduct inventory, right? And again, do not copy this number and paste into the game, because number different from round to round, from student to student, right? So you need to learn this method and apply that with your game number, right? Game number with your own Excel file, right? Okay, that's for the production. Just check that one time, or double check to make sure you input correctly. Production is the final production decision. Some products exceeds our production capacity, so we produce and buy more capacity here, right? So we buy more capacity for that first. See that, and then we still have budget here, right? So this one we can produce max we can into this 600, right? So we buy more capacity here, and we also increase automation to 8 and 10, and therefore we increase automation here 10, 8, 4. We don't have enough budget, so now you see we have enough budget here, right? For HR we use the max we can, so 5,000 for recruitment and 80 hours for training, so we will get the best workforce for long-term strategy, right? So invest 5,080 hours. Now for the stock issues, and we pay some small dividends. Last now we have enough cash, that's good. So now we short-term and long-term loan, right? And now we increase 45 days. We have the top sale here, good profit here. So you will see round 3 we get a very increase in sales, nearly 60%, from 200 to 317, and now we started get a very high profit here, 8% and 40% of contribution margin. Okay? So we see the result of round 4, right? We get the top sale here, top profit, 28% of market share. The top competitor is only 16%, and now you see the stock price we go up to 47, and the market cap 166 million, much higher than all the competitors, and also very high earning per share, right? And now 5, 6, 7, 8 we go up like this arrow you see. So you see that the right strategy is very important. You see that the trend here lie in the sample, right? We will go up from round 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 top sample, because we have invested in round 1 and 2 and 3 now. The lesson from each here, each round we need to check the top 10 winning tips to use the industry condition report to make sure you update the product correctly. You can download the free Excel file to calculate R&D for each round, the sales forecast, the production schedule, and update R&D, add new product in round 1 to 3. If you don't do that, update add new product before round 4 or 5, because the new product in each round to start selling well. Set the prices, check the price of competitors, calculate the sales forecast in marketing, calculate the production schedule for increased automation and adding more capacity. Buy more production capacity, increase automation here, and use the 3 sources of fund in round 1, 2, and 3. Later round you can reduce that. So the result round 4, we lead the game with top sale and top profit. And remember the lesson we can learn from the game, very important. Understanding the game is equally important to winning the game, right? So each round we need to make sure you know what decision to make each round, what report to read, what part of report to more important than others. You win 50%, and how to update the product, what is long-term strategy to win, how to set the prices, what are the prices of competitors, how to calculate the sales forecast here, sell own inventory, right? Keep some inventory to avoid stop out. Now you win 80% if you know how to set production for decision for production and automation. You how to set decision for HR, finance, and TQM. You win 99% of the game. If you need more personal support, you can have you set decision for 8 round. You can view and learn win the top result, or you want to get the note for decision for each round, 8 note for 8 round, Q&A 24 hours for any question, and video guide, set the video guide and explanation for all the decision for each round. You can send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com. I have say you own the decision for round 4 to get the top sale and top profit. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. Check the other video for more winning guide and tip of CapSim, right? And learn more.